Okay, so today's the day. I'm gonna try to go do something cool. I'm gonna go to the parking garage, do some skateboarding, try to get some cool footage, cool shots, see what I can do, post editing and everything, post process. But first, it's tea time. We're gonna go make some. Hey Cleo.
What are you doing in my car? What are you doing? Hey, stop that.
Okay, so the weather is a lot different than I was expecting today. I was expecting it to be sunny. Forecast showed it was going to be sunny all the rest of the week, and that's what I was expecting. And as you can see,
We're overcast and foggy.
a little bit of rain, so that's a little different than what I expected, but we're still going to skate. But it was a little bit of a shocker. But I got my tee, I got my skateboard in the back, got my camera. Let's do something cool. Alright, so I'm here at the parking garage. We're about to go up. About to do something cool, but looks like there's Karens all around, so we gotta be careful. Gotta be very careful. We're on Karen alert. Oh yeah, we got this all to ourselves today. The only soul up here. That's how I like it. All the college kids are working hard right now getting to their classes, and it's weird. They got a $75 ticket for riding your skateboard in downtown on the sidewalks, which makes sense, but that would be nice if I was in college and I had a skateboard and was able to use it. Yeah, so I don't really know how to get all these shots, to be honest. I'm still new to this.
Look at this fog. It's crazy.
Weird weather today, so unexpected. I think I may or may not have exceeded the speed limit. Sorry. Oh no. Should I do it? Alright, and we're out. I've been listening to Lukrembo a lot lately. He's got this one line that goes, I was on cruise control, that's how I lost control. And it got me thinking. I was like, man, That is pretty true. You can't be stuck on cruise control all day. If you are, you're either going to be going too fast or you're about to rear end someone. And that's my 2 cents for today. Get off cruise control, you lazy believers. God don't want no lukewarm. We back in town. We about to get to the car. That was fun. I hope it went well. We'll see. Review the footage, see what it looks like. We'll find out. Alright, now I'm headed to go get some cold brew, my favorite.
312, do you need a receipt?
No, I'm good.
Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. So, if you know anything about me, you know that I love my cold brew. Like, I really love it with a passion. And I know last night, like, I got the best sleep of my life. And I drink a lot of coffee. And I don't know what it was, but I only drank like 1 cup of coffee yesterday, and that might have been it. But I just slept so good, so no coffee at work tonight. Anyways, enough of me. You guys have a great day. Enjoy it.